Welcome back to another episode of My Natural Life, where we inspire your mind, body, and spirit the natural way. I'm your host and trail guide, Vicente Harrison, and I'm here to show you simple ways that you can integrate nature into your everyday life for overall health and wellness. This episode is dedicated to the young people. As mentioned in previous episode, I authored my first book, My Nature Exploration, back in 2018 about a little boy named Harrison who experienced nature firsthand in his own backyard. I had a burning desire to write this book while serving as a city park ranger and noticing the lack of representation of people of color enjoying our urban parks, natural areas, and community centers. I wanted to educate them about the wonders of nature that could be found in an accessible place, starting in their own backyard. In addition, I wanted to bring attention to the beautiful green spaces that are found in city, state, and national parks, and wanted families to take advantage of these bodies of land that are open to the public. So on this special Earth Day edition of My Natural Life, we're going My Nature Exploration Live. And we hope that after reading this story, your children will be encouraged to go out and explore their surroundings more, and that parents are encouraged to join them so that you can make it an adventure for the whole family. And now, without any further delay, we present unto you My Nature Exploration Live, written by yours truly, illustrated by the illustrious Chandler Jackson, and the main character Harrison will be portrayed by my son, Vicente II. Enjoy. My Nature Exploration, written by Vicente Harrison, illustrated by Chandler Jackson. A story about finding nature in one's backyard, nature appreciation, and children. I awake in the morning ready to start my day with the idea of going outside to play.
I think I'll go outside today.
I brush my teeth and wash my face, clean my room at a fast pace, pick up my shoes, my undies too, make up my bed, and then I'm through.
Mom, Dad, can I go outside today? Yes.
Okay.
Ooh, can I come too?
No, sweetheart, finish your breakfast.
I put on some SPF to block the sun's reflection and a nice brimmed hat, which provides extra protection. Opening the door, I creep out like a spy. My imagination races as I look towards the sky. A new adventure unknown awaits just for me. All I have to do is open my eyes and see. Out in the yard, I feel the warm air of a soft spring breeze blowing through my hair. Suddenly, the wind picks up, moving everything in its path. A white floaty, a leaf, even a bird in its bath. The leaves twirl and whirl like a game of Ring Around the Rosie, then fall into a heap, all fluffy and cozy. Across the leaves, I see a bee, balanced and hovered, in search of sweet nectar from a flower bush it discovered. My eyes get wider, and so does the fun. This great adventure has just begun.
So cool!
Looking around, I begin to see more pictures of nature opening up to me. Different shapes, colors, and much, much more. I'm excited about what nature has in store.
An orange butterfly! Green moss! Yellow flowers!
Brown, red, and so on paint the skies like a bright box of crayons. Next, I see blue on a pointy head jay, squeaking and bopping as if trying to say, "Look at the tree with the branches so long, swoop and sway like it's directing a song." From the tree branches, I hear a rustle and see two squirrels playing a game of twist and tussle. All of this action outside my back door, I wonder why I never noticed it before. Everything was different, but that didn't matter. For in my backyard, I had a whole new world presented before me like a platter. There it was, just for me, my own little forest, and it was free. I wanted to see more, and could if I tried, but the day came to an end when Mommy called me inside.
Harrison, time to come inside.
Coming!
After a long day of nature exploration, I cuddle in bed, thinking of my next aspiration.
I know what I'll do next. Go camping.
Whoa, settle down, settle down. Good night, son.
Good night, Dad.
The end. That's our show for today. I hope you enjoyed watching My Nature Exploration Live. If you'd like to purchase a copy of your own of My Nature Exploration, you can find it on Amazon.com or comment in the comment box below and I can tell you where to find it here locally in the Portland metropolitan area. If you had young people watching this episode with you today, please comment and let me know how they enjoyed today's episode. And again, while you're there, please like, subscribe, and share this message of wealth with your loved ones. Until we meet again, stay peaceful, stay healthy, and stay natural.